combine one because it's easier to really pair these up. So if you're looking for a snack that's really, really solid, that I really enjoy, and you're with your family, your friends, things along those lines, what I recommend on top of getting enough protein in is combining like Greek yogurt or individual sized Greek yogurt with some fruit, like one portion control of fruit, usually about the inside portion of your palm, and then adding in some zero sugar Cool Whip. It's a great combo. It feels like it's a lot of calories, but really isn't. And so just doing 2 tablespoons on top of typically I like Oiko's Greek yogurt. And I top that with, just like I said, like a small serving or portion, depending on the best situation, obviously. But if you can handle dairy, more like lactose specifically, this is the way to go. So you can buy individual cups or have this individually measured out, 3/4 cup, or if you have a food scale, measure it to 170 grams. You get 17 grams of protein here per serving. It tastes delicious. And so it's a lower calorie option based on, like I said, the serving size here, but you can make several recipes with this and do a lot of amazing things. So the possibilities are kind of endless, but this is my last tip and trick for number 5. Now, if you're looking for more ways to get information on shopping lists, things along those lines, how I can help you best, let's set up a call for free. Let's chat. I would love to help out. And lastly, don't forget, but sign up for our subscription, and so that you can get free resources like this on a frequent basis. All you have to do is go to fitwave.com, www